Whilst I'm really enjoying learning how to use the Cobb Premier and all this sizzly barbecue cooking is slightly addictive, I rather fancied some comfort food and thought I would see if it could cook my Friday fish supper. And of course it's important to maintain traditions. The Cobb oven prep is straightforward: small fire basket with the original grill plate, the must-have grill rack, not only because it stops the food burning but also because the grill plate is convex and the stainless steel pizza trays I found on Amazon would fall off otherwise. And of course the Cobb lid to finish it all off. I've been experimenting with the difference between charcoal briquettes and lumpwood, and I thought I'd use the lumpwood here as it's described as restaurant grade, whatever that means. I use the equivalent of about 10 briquettes, which is about 450 grams of lumpwood. The lumpwood charcoal takes a good 35 minutes to get going, whereas the Weber briquettes only take about 20. I put the steel pizza tray in after the lid had been on for about 5 minutes, and then the food went in about 5 minutes after that. Note to self, use a fish slice for fish, not barbecue tongs. The fish and the chips were pretty much frozen, so next time I'll defrost them, because I'm pretty sure it put about 10 or 15 minutes on the cook time. Just add salt and vinegar and job done. They were delicious, so another positive result for the Cobb.